Money is part of our everyday lives, like it or not, and we just need to find ways in which we can make money work for us. When it comes to money, we are motivated by a couple of different things. Fear could be one of them. Fear that we don't have enough to retire with. The fear drove me to do something about it and to find out more of what I could do to grow my wealth instead of decimate my wealth. Our friends are such a big part of our lives where we can spend a lot of money together, and if we are used to spending the way we do in our friendship groups, we will just take it for granted. Then it becomes the norm, and that's where it gets trickier. I'm a big believer of investing first in ourselves. So everyone's telling you, oh, you need to invest your money. But first thing is we need to invest in our knowledge and in our mindset. Another thing that I found really helpful on my journey was actually surrounding myself with a lot of information from people who have done it already. A goal gives me direction, and throughout the journey, I have checkpoints where I ask myself, is this getting me closer to my goal or further away? What I recommend for women is to start small by getting all the wins that we can have around money, and then that will boost your confidence into the next step so that we can get that snowball going in terms of our confidence. Please be curious and start now. When it comes to value investing or long-term investing, the years matter, and the longer I stay invested, the more my money will compound. So start now, start early.